In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a mic that isn't working in Google Meet. If you've ever started an important video call only to find out that nobody can hear you, you know how frustrating this can be. Don't worry, because getting your microphone back up and running is quicker and easier than you might think. Let's dive into it step by step. First, head over to the Google Meet website on your browser. As Google Meet is an online platform, accessing it through your preferred web browser is essential. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the page, where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. This step is crucial to ensure that you're logged into the correct account, which might need troubleshooting. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account from a list. Select the one you use for Google Meet and sign in by entering your credentials. With that done, we'll shift to troubleshoot settings outside of Google Meet to address potential microphone issues on your computer. Let's start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open up the Start menu where you can search for specific settings. In that search bar, type Sound Mixer Options. This function allows us to configure audio settings on a deeper level. After typing it in, hit Enter to bring up the Sound Settings window. Now you should see a page with various audio settings. Scroll through the options until you reach the bottom of the page, where you'll find a button labeled Reset. Click on Reset to restore your audio settings back to their default state. This can often resolve any pesky glitches that might have been causing issues with your microphone. It's a handy tip that helps realign your current settings with those that are optimal for regular functionality, ensuring any unintentional changes you might not have noticed are fixed. And that should do the trick. Now return to Google Meet, start a new meeting or join an existing one, and test out your microphone. If everything is working correctly, your voice should now be coming through loud and clear to everyone in your meeting. Remember, if issues persist, it could be a physical problem with your mic or a driver that may need updating. Always ensure your microphone is properly connected and check for any available updates for your system drivers. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful and your mic issues in Google Meet are now a thing of the past. Feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more technical support content. Happy meetings!